Morning everybody, happy Sunday, and today we've got 3 submissions for the Welcome to the Cave. We've got Gene Snyder, we've got Ian Knights, and we've also got Revodave. Okay, so the first one I bring you is Gene Snyder. His collections, he's got loads and loads of cars, and he's into the Lego as well. As a matter of fact, after posting this video to me, he did give me another couple of pictures. And as you can see here, we've got the Solo Millennium Falcon, and we've also got, I believe that he said that was a DC-10, the Lego there. But check this out. One of the things that I really do like in here is his Haunted Mansion memorabilia there. I did go on the Haunted Mansion back in 2007 in Disney World, and I really love his Banshee as well from Avatar, and that's something again on the bucket list that I'd like to try out, an Animal Kingdom in Disney World, to see that whole Pandora world, which is going to be something definitely that I want to do in the future. But anyway, this is Gene Snyder's Man Cave.
Hello everybody, and welcome to my computer room. As you can see, there's nothing much here. We're going to start over here by this right here. I built this solidly out of Legos. It's not complete yet, but it's a little bit dusty. And I have another one right here that's Titanic as well. This one, if you notice, has a split mechanism. It's controlled by this, which splits the ship in half. And here is the Harry Potter Night Bus from Prisoner of Azkaban. Missing in one piece though. But overall, it's a good puzzle. Now if we go over here, I have New York's One World Trade and Canada's CN Tower. And this drawing is a C6 Corvette Z06. And we'll continue on over to my desk. Behind here, here's my Darth Vader. But I have the Charger and the Supra from the first Fast and Furious movie. And a whole bunch of Star Wars memorabilia. F-22, 2 Skylines, and the Chevelle X-Wing. The Falcon there, and the Y-Wing. I have both the X-Wing and the Y-Wing. I have a little R2-D2 right here and a DC-10, which I gotta get fixed. And here's Marty McFly. Now we're gonna go ahead and kneel down here. I have the Dodge Ram right there from Twister, Kit from Knight Rider, and what is this over here? I have all 3 DeLoreans from Back to the Future. Now this right here is my gaming joystick right here, and this is my this is my computer area. And I also forgot to mention, this is the Doom Buggy from Haunted Mansion. It does the different phrases from the ride.
Welcome.
This is the beginning.
To the Haunted Mansion. There's no.
I'm going through all of them because it does different ones.
There you are. And just in time, there's a little matter I forgot to mention. Beware of hitchhiking ghosts. They have selected you to fill our quota, and they'll haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety
And
bar.
if you guys can see, there's Bumblebee over there. It's a Bumblebee. That's Bumblebee from Transformers. And this right here is a Kendama. I also have the Empire State Building right there. And here is a Banshee from Avatar World from Disney World. That is my... And I also have a bookcase of cards, which I need to get rid of some. But anyway, this is my computer room. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care, everybody.
Now the next man cave we're going to look at is Ian Knights. Now Ian, by the look of it, loves his bikes, and you'll hear him mention Barry Sheen, who's my era, watching that, and also Valentino Rossi's bike. Obviously I did the first 2 packs of Valentino Rossi's bike, but D'Agostini didn't want me to build it anymore. I know a lot of people keep questioning me about that. I don't know why that is. I haven't got a clue. So I've got 2 packs worth of bits and pieces still here of the Valentino Rossi bike doing absolutely nothing. But check out Ian Knight's cave.
This is my little workstation. My Valentino Rossi signed picture, Barry Sheen. One of my first ever models I made, Barry Sheen. My little workstation, current model I'm building, the Valentino Rossi MotoGP Yamaha. The detail is absolutely incredible. Future build is the 12th scale Tamiya Barry Sheen Yamaha. Pretty much what I started out with. If you pan under the desk, there's the DeLorean midway through. Also building the GT40 part built. Coda's come to say hello. Hello Coda. Hello son. The F40 part built, stored until the next parts arrive. Dashboard, beautiful quality and detail again. Storage for the Yamaha. I'm in the conservatory because I've been kicked out of every room in the house because the kids are obviously on lockdown from school, so I haven't got any room in the house, so I've been demoted to this corner, which is lovely because I get all this view outside. Got the garden, the birds chirping, some Lego models up on the shelf. Stop doing Lego, it's a bit boring once you've started these other models. Coda all comfy on the sofa. Yeah, so that's basically it. That's my little hobby corner. Thanks for watching.
Now the last room to show you is Revodave. Now Revodave is the person responsible for making my Jason mask right there, which I had. I did have it by the back, but I do absolutely love that mask, and you can tell straight away from his video that he loves his Friday the 13th genre. Just to warn you, the video is a bit low quality. It's because of the file size that you can email through. If you have got a big file size and you want to email that through to me, just email me saying I've got a large file size, and I'll give you a link that you can upload it directly to my Google Drive, and that way you can send as big a file as you want. I think I've got 200 gigs on that, so you won't have a problem at all. But this is Revodave's cave.
Hi everyone, this is my man corner. I don't have a man room, but there's Jason. Dukes of Hazzard figures. My signed little player. Signed photo. T800R my name. Splash. And some masks I painted. Terminator. Deadpool. T800. General Lee, and some more masks. All hand painted. Right, let's have a look downstairs. Right, we're downstairs. That's my Top Gun replica. And mosquito. And there's some more warplanes. It's a small collection of planes I've got. Right, and this is where I keep all my paints and everything. LEDs in there, decals, paints, box full of loads of stuff, and then all my paints are in here. It's all nicely packed away so she doesn't moan at me. Well, I hope you like that. Well, thanks, bye.
So next Saturday we're going to be having John Hay, Paul Rosso and Stu Pop. And then on Sunday we're going to have Darren Anderson, Richard Chisholm and then Matt Danny. Now I have had some more submissions as well. Alex, I've got your cave there. I'm just looking down my list. I think that's it at the moment that I've actually got here. So I'm after some more submissions from your caves, your workstations, your hobby rooms. I'm just interested to see what you got, what's your stuff and how you've laid things out. Even if it's a corner of a lounge, I don't care. I just like to see what people have that's different from mine, because as I said, I'm in a little broom cupboard here. But I really do hope you like that video. I'm going to be streaming later on Twitch. I'm going to be building some more of the Victory here. And then on tomorrow, we're going to be building the next stage of the Ecto 1. Take care.